Welcome everyone. Today we will paint an ant and color it. Draw a simple pattern with a black mark pen. First draw a big circle. Add a cute expression. Then draw big round petals. Long stems. Draw huge leaves on both sides. On the right, also draw a small circle. Draw the petals around it. Long stems. Fleshy leaves. Draw grass below. A butterfly flying above. The simple picture is done now. Woo! That's really great. Now let's start coloring. Orange. Medium yellow. Light yellow. Pink. Brown. Green. Rose. Orange. Medium yellow. Light yellow. Sunny yellow. Orange. Pink. Flesh. Red. Light green. Green. Grass green. Gray violet. Rose. Sunny yellow. Our work has been completed. Thank you for watching. See you next time.